wanna play my DJ. I wanna rap it. Play my blood clot DJ. I'm a shot selector boy.
What? Let's go down. Back with another banger video. You already know what time it is, man. We're back in the music lab today, yo, that mafia. Yeah, see what we are deal with today, man. Yo, the last video we did, yo, feel me, from this artist was featuring Byron Messiah, and you guys liked it so much, man. And I thought, I used to be on my African music, my Afro beats music shit. You know what I'm saying? We listen to people such as what we listened to in the past. We did Wizkid. Skepta is UK. We did we did a lot of African artists back in the day, man, and we need to get back on that grind. You know what I'm saying? I'm sorry if I can't remember the names right now, but yeah, man, I'm like, yo, we need to get back on that grind, man. You feel me? Y'all like that video so much. I'm like, yo, we're gonna start to react to Burna Boy more often, because I do enjoy Burna Boy's music. You feel me? I enjoy his rise to fame and all that, when he used to, oh Shayo, I did it, you know, all that stuff, bro. And I wish I had reacted more to Burna Boy. You know what I'm saying? Plus he came through, showed up for the culture, you know, help old boy Byron Messiah, help dance all that. You know what I'm saying? So I'm like, yo, I need to get back on my Afro beats, Afro music, African music shit. You know what I'm saying? And I want to start reacting to Burna Boy more often. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, so that's what we're gonna do, guys. We're gonna check out from the Tycho deal. We're checking out Burna Boy Big 7. He just dropped this video like what, 30 minutes ago. He dropped it at 7 o'clock, like 30 minutes ago. He dropped it. And we're gonna check it out, see what I deal with it. You know what I'm saying? So make sure you hit that like and subscribe button if you like videos like this. If you want me to react to more Burna Boy, go hit that like and subscribe button. You know, and I get it done, man. Drop the comments, show some love. You know, and I get it done. But yeah, man, you don't know Burna Boy, big artist. You're supposed to know. I don't know who don't know of Burna Boy. You know what I'm saying? Even if you don't listen to Afro beats, you feel me? If you don't listen to hip hop, I know you heard of Burna Boy before. And we're gonna check out his music and see what he's up to today. You know what I'm saying? He just dropped it, like I said, 30 minutes ago, and this one is entitled Big 7. So I'll check it out and see what dog I deal with. Not gonna roll up the vibes much longer. Burna Boy Big 7, let's get it.
Big 7. Big 7.
Big 7.
Big 7.
Big 7.
Big 7.
Oh, we know what this is about.
First of all, rest in peace, Virgil Abloh. Don't spill no drink on my clothes when I'm Louis V dripping.
Woo.
Don't like stress in my dome. Straight to the head when I'm 19.
Ooh, I like how you go, bro. Is he even spinning African music no more? But I like this. Man said first your favorite speech. Rest in peace to Virgil. You feel me? Virgil was a designer. And the same man said don't even like to spill nothing upon me. Hey, all right. Yeah, Burna Boy in touch with the culture, the American culture too as well. You know what I'm saying? He in touch with black culture overall, and I like that. You know what I'm saying?
In 42 sipping, been wavy since morning.
Hey,
They talk to me in public.
1942 sipping, been wavy from morning. Don't talk. Hey.
Drink with a little money. Smoke my weed to the claro. Lamborghini driver. Robbery 458 Italia.
Yeah.
I really spent $1 million just to Richard Millis, and now I'm willy-nilly through the city. Wavy since London.
I went from Puerto Rich to Richard Millie, now I'm to the city. Oh, I'm tear my old man. I got the Lamborghini, dog. Spend money, man. Say, hey, brother.
Wavy since Berlin. So now they talk to me in public. I'm in a different place. If you see me tonight, you can clearly see that I've been wavy since morning. Alright.
Talk your shit.
R.I.P. to Situ, put your hands up, reach for the roof.
Hey, talk your shit, Burna. Man, say, been buckler wavy from morning. Now, you don't talk to me improperly. Me just in a different place. You see me a different space. You see me, I say, so now you can see, say, hey, put some respect on my boy Burna name, man.
You know you fuck with me. Don't like squares in my crew. With my ball, you my brother, then you best believe you stuck with me. Been wavy since morning. I no go feed save you from nothing. So I beg you no disturb me. I know they carry overload. Get to gospel preacher. Two-time community service preacher.
Easy no man say, yeah, I'm in like squares and I'm a crew, you know. You see me? So I'm calling him, brother, but please say, you're stuck with me, you know, my yo. You see me? Me and the blood cleat, you say, the ghetto gospel preacher. You see me and say, son, hey, Burna, talk your shit, man.
Right now I'm chilling, but my niggas getting busy in the city, spinning till late to see for the listen. Wavy since London, wavy since Berlin. So no they talk to me in public, no they talk to me in public. Wavy since Sweden, wavy since Paris. So
Mama look good too, you know, man. Yeah, man. Hey, the man say I'm spinning to the city with my niggas to the dizzy. Burna, hey, you mean, bro, man, talking this shit, bro. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man.
they talk to me in public.
Nice too, you know. Yeah, man, mama look nice, man. Yo, girl, thick ass. Tell the girl skin, man, y'all body full up on chopped in.
I'm in a different place. If you see me tonight, you can clearly see that I've been wavy since morning.
Easy.
Big seven,
Big seven. Big seven.
big seven.
Big seven, man, say I told them, you know. Tell them, say, man, I got turn star and the funny magazine and all them sitting there. You see me? I say, he's not big seven.
Big seven,
Big seven.
big seven,
Big seven.
big seven,
Easy.
big seven.
Burn that. Bomba, Buster and this blows as good. You me? Burn that boy and Buster, right? You know, in the New York City, in the New York pizza, man. You know what I'm saying? Yo, shout out Burna. This was a fun trap, bro. You feel me? And this is why Afrobeats is taking over, bro. Because, you feel me? The tracks are fun. They got rhythm. You know what I'm saying? They make you want to move, make you want to dance, make you want to groove. You know what I'm saying? And that's what dancehall used to do. You know what I'm saying? Every track you hear, you want to move and have a vibe, you know? But everybody want to be on the school chopper shit, which is cool. But you know what I'm saying? It's not as contagious as music like this, you know, that make you want to move, make you want to, you know, get up and, you know what I'm saying? It's songs with rhythm that make you want to move, they are more contagious, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, shout out to Burna Boy, man, doing his thing. Yeah, man, Big Seven, I enjoy that. The man was basically rap doing African rap, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, say, I've been wavy since morning, so don't talk to me improperly. I'm just in a different space. Yeah, man, say, yeah, I'm the Lamborghini driver, bro, about a couple Cartiers. Yeah. Man say, I sit here spin with them niggas till and get dizzy, bro. You know what I'm saying? No, like, no squares in them circle. So if you call him brother, you better believe you're stuck with me. You know what I'm saying? Man say, man, the ghetto gospel preacher. Burna, do your thing, man. You know what I'm saying? Burna Boy doing his thing. His music is very, you know what I'm saying? Very contagious. His music is very upbeat, uplifting. So that's why people gravitate. While even when he's upbeat, he still got meaning and all that stuff behind it. You know what I'm saying? It's just something people can relate to. You know what I'm saying? Just gravitate to. You know? So yeah, man. Burna Boy, keep doing your thing, man. We appreciate you over here, man. Keep doing your thing. Shoot for the stars and get even bigger star. You already a star. Become an even bigger star. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, keep putting on for the culture and for black people overall, man. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, we all one. So we should root for you, Burna. Keep doing your thing, man. You don't know. Guys, let me know what you think about that in the comment section. Real dope track. Enjoyed it a lot. Let me know what you think. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, if you enjoy, what was your favorite part? Beat, music, lyrics, whatever it is, let me know in the comment section and we can chop it up and get it done. You know what I'm saying? Drop your requests. Yeah, if your request is shown, go get your shout out, all that stuff. If you like, go show the artist some love and support. Make you know say Jambisco dancing, you know, man. You know what I'm saying? Make you know so we're strong over here and we're growing. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Burna Boy, man. Yeah, man. That keep putting on the culture ever since ever since him boss. Yeah, man. So yeah, guys, I don't know. Till next time, your boy Jambisco here now. Hit and smash on our banger. Next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys.